In today's video, we're sharing how to use the MuniMobile app to get around San Francisco using public transport. If you're visiting the city, the Muni app makes it super easy to ride the buses, streetcars, and the famous Muni Metro. No cash, no paper tickets, just your phone. We'll walk you through how to download and set up the MuniMobile app, how to buy and activate tickets right from your phone, and how to use the app to ride buses, cable cars, and the Metro with ease. In just 5 minutes, you'll feel confident using the app and navigating San Francisco like a local. So let's jump right in. Transportation in San Francisco. It's actually really good for public transport and getting around, isn't it?
Yep.
Easiest way to get around is to get a Muni app, M-U-N-I. I'll put the link on the screen, and you can buy tickets through the app or day passes. So there's a few different varieties. There are single ride tickets, $2.85, a day pass without access to cable cars, $5.70. That's what we have today, and we will have had 4 trips by the time we get home, maybe even 5.
4 or 5, yeah.
So we've definitely got our money's worth if you think each trip is $2.85. If you want a single cable car ride, a ticket's $9, or you can get a full day pass that includes the cable car for $15, which is what we're going to do tomorrow because we'll go in the cable car, or you can get a 3-day pass for everything for $35 or a 7-day pass for $47. And then it stores your tickets. So I downloaded Simon's and mine on there, but there's a really strange thing with using the tickets when you get on the public transport.
So yeah, you don't swipe on and off, you just show the driver if he asks, otherwise you just get on and off.
Yeah, we showed the driver on our first one. He sort of looked at us as if we were idiots. And then getting on and off everywhere else, we just haven't even bothered taking the phone out of our pocket. No one seems to
swipe on
and off. So I don't know if they're doing a dodgy and getting freebie rides, or whether they've got these passes and just...
Yeah, we've got the pass. We've not been doing the dodgy, so we're fine.
Yeah, so getting around, there are buses, there are tram streetcars, there are trains, and then there's the BART, which is a different system that you can't use on the Muni that comes from the airport. You do have to buy those tickets separately. But basically for coming in from the city, if you're going to catch the BART, it's super easy. Follow the directions to the BART station. You swipe a credit card going through. You jump on the next one. They all seem to go in the one direction, but just double check. And then when you get to the stop, you get off and swipe your card going out, and
that's it.
And you're done. That's it. Alright, well, we're going to enjoy the view of the slightly smoggy
harbour,
Red Bridge, and out to Alcatraz. Here's a hint, we're going to Alcatraz tomorrow night, so you should like and subscribe to make sure you don't miss out on that.